Alright guys, welcome to my channel, Everything Hawaii. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your sponge filter. If you got a pond filter, a Tetra pond filter, I'll show you the box here. So Tetra pond submersible filter. Alright, this is the 250 to 500 gallons. Yeah, so today I'm going to show you how to clean that. Right now mine's all used, it looks like that. So here, let me set this up real quick and I'll show you. Well, there's gonna be a lot of controversy about this one I've seen. Alright guys, today I'm gonna clean this using regular tap water. Just rinse this down. Open the sponge filter up like this. Insides look like this. You see? Collapsed. So first I'd start by stripping this out. Okay, looks like that now, the inside. Make sure you get everything out. Alright. Then you got two filters, a black one and a green one. So I'm gonna move this aside. Take the green one. Looks all dirty like this. Lift it down. Flip it over to the other side. Alright, that's done. Clean the black one. A lot of controversy about beneficial bacteria in this one. So I got a lot of other sponge filters in there in my aquaponics tank. They kind of take up the load. You can use out though. Give it a good rinse down. Then put the green one back in. Then put the black one back in. Make sure this is out, cleaned out a little bit. And install this back in your pond. That's it, guys. Give it a good rinse down. And that's it. That's all it takes. Right on. You guys have a good day.